Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create and activate Stripe account for non-US residents. Now, if you're a non-US resident and let's say you're living in Europe or maybe possibly in Asia, what you can do is you can set up a single member LLC. Now, I will show you how that works and how you can set it up. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, I'm from Croatia. So I'm living in Europe, right? And I have basically opened a Stripe account with my single member LLC. Now, in order for you to create a Stripe account, you will need a single member LLC and you will need your Stripe. And also you will need a bank, which when you create a single member LLC, you will get a bank. So basically how this works, let me just pull up a whiteboard right here just to show you how this would work, right? So let's start a new whiteboard here, and let me just show you, straight off the bat how this would work, just so you don't have any issues, right? Now, okay, we first have Stripe, right? This is Stripe. Let's call it Stripe, right? So you have basically your bank, which is your LLC bank. So LLC bank, right? This is your LLC bank. So first of all, you need an LLC, right? This is a single member LLC. I'm going to show you exactly all the expenses and everything, right? So once you have LLC, you will get a in number, right? A in number. And with that number, you will register on Stripe, right? Now, once you get the Stripe and once you start generating some money, you will withdraw the money to your LLC bank, right? And then you will be able to pay yourself to your, bank or any other entity that you have, right? So again, your LLC and your bank are interconnected, right? Because obviously for your LLC, you need a bank account. And for your Stripe, you need to connect your bank account so that when you take the money out of your Stripe, it goes into your bank account, right? Now, here are some of the companies that will start your LLC for really low fees. For example, this one is at $80. This is one of the most popular companies to start an LLC. Now, how this works, right? You can start either an LLC or a single member LLC. I can only speak from my experience. I have a single member LLC, and basically what you need to do and all the expenses that you need are $200 every single year for a registered agent just to keep the documents for your LLC, and then you can also pay I don't know, like $100 plus for taxes and all that stuff. So you're not paying a tax if you're a single member LLC, as long as you don't have any entities in America, right, or USA. So that's basically how that works, right? Now again, with LegalZoom, you can actually consult them and talk to their sales team, and yeah, you can pretty much check what's best option for you. Now for us here in Croatia or in Europe, the best option was to create a single member LLC, right? We don't pay any taxes because we're not US residents, right? And we also just pay $200 every single year to maintain the LLC. And then we can go to our Stripe, we can connect our bank account that is connected with our LLC, and that's pretty much it. So these type of companies like LegalZoom, they will set you up with your bank account. They will set you up with your LLC. So they will do everything for you, and you just need to, later after you do this, you just need to go to your Stripe and connect your Stripe. That's pretty much it. It's very simple, guys. So that's basically how to create and activate Stripe account for non-US residents. Again, the only thing you need to have is an LLC. That is a must, right? And don't be afraid to establish one. I established one from the comfort of my own home, right? I just went on the internet and established an LLC, which is, just like this, right? You either talk with them or you go here and check the availability, and then they will do it for you. Yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. Very simple. Obviously, the process is a little bit longer, but it's very simple to do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something new, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.